Assalamu student, this is Arshad Khan from Kranchins Academy. Today we are going to solve the paper October-November 2018. Its code is 7115/12. We will solve the question number 3 and 4. Here is question number 3. TRB is a small business in the secondary sector. TRB assembles computer, all components except for the battery and glass for the screen are imported from other countries. 40% of its products are exported. Many of its competitors are relocating to low-cost countries. TRB's operation director thinks that the opportunities of globalization may be greater than the threat for TRB. She is looking at ways to improve efficiency in the factory. One option to introduce lean production method. Now here come to the question number 3A. TRB in the secondary sector identify other two classification of business sector activity. As we this question comes from the chapter classification of business. Other two classifications are primary sector activities as farming and mining, etc. Tertiary sector activities are banking, insurance, and hotel industry, etc. 3B. Identify two ways to measure the size of a business. This question comes from the chapter Enterprise Business Growth and Size. There are two methods. Sales, we can measure the size of business on the value of sales, on the number of people employed by that company. This question carried 2 marks. Now come to the question 3C. Identify and explain two methods of lean production that TRB might use. This question carries 4 marks. This question comes from the chapter Achieving Quality Production. There are two methods. Number 1 is Kaizen. Number 2 is JIT system. Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese word, means continuous improvement. Through elimination of waste, it can be achieved through elimination of waste, reorganize the factory floor layout and get rid of the large inventories. This is called Kaizen. Number 2, JIT. JIT stands for just in time. It is a production method which focus reducing or virtually eliminating the need for hold inventories of raw materials, components and work in process. By JIT, save material handling cost, reduce or eliminate wastage of materials during warehousing, etc. Working capital stuck up on inventories may be minimized. This is the explanation of JIT. Now come to the question 3D. Identify and explain two possible benefits to TRB for improving efficiency. This question comes from the same chapter, Achieving Quality Production. Benefit 1, reduce average cost. If there is a efficiency in the TRB operation, it will definitely help in reducing average cost. Benefit 2, less mistakes, improving reputation and this is small explanation. By improving efficiency, TRB overall cost of doing business will decrease. It helps to produce computer on low market price, which will give an edge over competitor. It will ultimately increase sale and market share of the company. It will also help in boosting its export from 40 to 60%. Currently, they are exporting 40% of their computer. If they improve efficiency, they will definitely export more than 40%. Benefit 2, less mistakes. As efficiency improve in their production lines, so there is less mistakes and rework. Being a small business and their competitors are relocating on low cost countries, so in this situation, efficiency will provide an edge over its competitor, which is very essential to continue business for exporting the computer. Okay. Now come to the question 3E. Do you think there are more opportunities than threats from globalization for TRB? Justify your answer. This question comes from Business and International Economy. Here we What is globalization? Globalization is a term now widely used to describe increase in worldwide trade and movement of people and capital between countries. In TRB, their most of parts are imported from the other countries and they are exporting 40%. It means TRB business based on global trade and business. There are many opportunities to buy spare parts from low cost countries and, if possible, assemble them abroad. Through e commerce, their business can also grow. Threats are as follows: increasing imports into home market. Employees may leave the business that cannot pay same or more than international competed, etc. So globalization are the now world orders. Any organization which cannot meet the challenges of globalization could not survive. So we have to avail its opportunities and TRB to make them in its favor. It means we are suggesting that globalization is good for them and they have to use it in their favor. Now come to the question 4. Question 4. Back-in Group BG is a limited company. It has 3 holidays park that offer families holidays, accommodation and activities. BG aims to look after its customers' needs 24 hours a day. Customers pay for the holidays when they arrive at the park. Each park has 3 managers and 40 part-time employees. BG uses a wide range of social media networks for promotion. The finance director is worried about BG's cash flow position. He cannot decide if an overdraft is the best way for BG to solve its cash flow problem. Here is a cash flow forecast for January, February, March, 3 months for the year 2019, and figures are in thousand. Question number 1 is, what is mean by limited company? This question comes from the chapter type of business organization. This question carry 2 marks. A business which has a separate legal entity status to its owner, the liability of shareholders in a company is limited to only the amount they invested. It means there is a separate legal entity or status than ownership. And there is a question 4b, calculate the value of X and Y. It's very simple question. We have to calculate the net cash flow and the closing balance. The net cash flow for January and closing balance for the March. Here is net cash flow is equal to cash in minus total cash outflow. So we have a net cash flow 120,000, cash outflow 110,000. It means net cash flow is 10,000 or 10,000. Closing balance. Closing balance is equal to opening balance plus net cash flow. In March, so we get minus 50 is our opening balance plus minus 30 is a net cash flow. It means our closing balance is minus 80, or we can say 80,000. This question comes from the chapter ratio analysis, financial analysis. This question carry 2 marks. Now come to question 4c. Identify and explain 2 advantages to BG have a part-time employees. This chapter comes from the chapter recruitment and selection. Number 1 advantage of having a part-time employee is more flexible in the hours of work. Second advantage, to reduce business cost. Number 1 explanation of number 1 points. BG makes schedule of its production as per availability of its part-time employees, which save time and cost to BG. Part-time employees can give good quality time to their family too, which boost motivation among these employees. Yes, if part-time employees are properly used and we schedule according to their availability of part-time, so it means the part-time employees give good quality time to their family, which motivates and boosts their motivation. Advantage to reduce business costs. Idle capacity can be better utilized through hiring part-time employees, which are low in cost. Part-time employees cost low as compared to permanent employees, as no now fringe benefits and other comparison is given to employees. Now there is no need to give fringe benefits and other compensation to the part-time employees. So it means part-time workers cost low to the business. Now come to the question 4D. This question carries 6 marks. Identify and explain one advantage and one disadvantage to BG using social media networks for promotion. This question comes from the chapter Marketing Promotion. Advantage: low cost method of advertising. Social media is a low cost method of advertising. Explanation: social media is a low cost promotion tools than other promotion tools. Families get promotion on 24 hours a day. It helps to timely plan their holidays. Responses and feedback are quick, as its promotion cost is low, so as their financial needs to run the promo will also be low, and they do not need overdraft. Overdraft interest reduce BG profit, which impact negatively on the BG business. Second is what is disadvantage of social media? Lack of control. Comments can be altered or hide. In its explanation, in social media marketing, feedback and responses are very quick. Promotion goes to many families and individuals. Everyone has its own way of thinking, so there are chances of negative and unnecessary comments on these promotions. Comments cannot be altered. So in the social media campaign, BG should need to handle it properly and selecting the right target marketing with well thought promotion materials. Here is a disadvantage, and there is a because in social media we cannot stop the comments and negative comments or negative feedbacks from the people who are using the social media. This is a big disadvantage of using social media as a promotion. Now come to the question 4E. Do you think an overdraft is the best way for the BG to solve its cash flow problem? Justify your answer. This question comes from chapter Business Finance, Needs and Availability. There are two method of short-term finance. Number one is overdraft. Number two is trade deficit, trade credit. Overdrafts are arranged by bank. These overdrafts may be used to pay wages or pay for supplies. The overdraft will vary month to month. B is a limited company and its cash flow position is not good. To meet its routine expenses, finance director thinking about overdraft. Overdraft is a good solution to meet current short-term expenses, to maintain good relationship with their staff and suppliers. There is a low interest rate on utilized amount, so interest expense vary month to month. As expenses are not for purchasing of plant and other machinery, which are long-term assets and are required big amount, so overdraft is a good option for BG. The overdraft can be easily available with few documentation. Then it is recommended for BG. Managing overdraft require efficiently manage cash flow for the BG, which is not a difficult task as compared to the managing long-term loan. So overdraft can be managed easily by BG if they control their expenses, they properly prepare their cash flow statement and they properly monitor it, so they can easily control their overdraft. There are very few legal requirements or paperwork to get the overdraft. So students, here come to the end of this paper. Please visit our Crunches Academy YouTube channel, subscribe it and give your comments, valuable comments. We are providing good past solved paper for business studies as well as accounts. So it will definitely help out to prepare your examination, and we hope you will get good marks by reviewing and by helping with this paper. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.